Dust ball press. As a heavy equipment, safe operation should be kept in mind. After the installation of the equipment is completed, the whole machine needs to run empty for 2 to 4 hours. Check that there is no abnormal phenomenon before load test. The correct use method can not only ensure the personal safety of the staff, but also improve the service life of the dust ball press. How to repair and maintain the dust ball press. Generally speaking, in order to ensure the normal production of dust ball press and improve the service life of the equipment, special personnel should be equipped to operate, maintain and repair the equipment, and regularly check the following work. First, whether the connection parts are firm. Second, the gear tooth surface contact of the reducer. Third, check the temperature rise of each part, refueling on time, replacing new oil and so on.